Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how to create Shopify affiliate account. So without further ado, let's start. So now go to your Google browser and then search for how to create Shopify affiliate account. Now scroll down and there you'll see Shopify affiliate marketing program. Just tap on that. From here, you'll see the few requirements to apply. There are few tips in here that you can read to help you become successful in affiliate marketing. So now, go back to top and then tap on Apply Now. You can now start your registration. Enter your name, your last name, your email address, your username, and then your password. Just complete the necessary information. After applying, just wait for Shopify to accept your application. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.